In this video, I'm going to show you how to log out of Origin Financial. Let's get started. To log out of your Origin Financial account, go to your account menu inside the app or desktop site. You can usually find this by clicking your profile icon or account settings area near the top corner of the screen. Once the settings opens, look for the logout or sign out option and click on it. After selecting it, your session will end and you'll be signed out of your account. If you want to log back in later, simply return to the login page and enter the same email address or sign-in method connected to your Origin Financial account. This could include your regular email login or any authentication method you originally used when creating the account. Logging out is especially important when using a shared or public computer because it helps protect your financial information and prevents unauthorized access to your account. If you want to support our channel, feel free to use our affiliate link in the description below. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video.